Dino Bob here. Hey, this is movie 3 on this Hellcat. We do a lot of these Hellcats. And as you can see, we do a lot of porting on the front drive. Now, this front drive is different than the Trackhawk. Now, the Trackhawk came out and they did similar things to how we were porting these. And this particular one, we got apart, we rebuilt it. As you can see, the rotors and the rotor plate, it's different than them Eaton style blowers, and it's tricky to get apart anyway. What we do now is we're doing a lot of porting here to match this modified front drive, which also has, we add some material here and do some different things. It's turning out quite well. And if you look on our website, we got prices for different things we do on these Hellcats. And see how this one's stripped down? It was sent in this way, really stripped down with the lid and the coolers and stuff off of it. That saves you a lot of money, especially for dealers out there and stuff. So anyway, if you got more questions on these Hellcats and Nighthawks, give us a call at 636-949-2275. We'll be glad to discuss it.